And also, I can... It's got 15 minute. Let's wait. Yo, 2 sets, kids.
What's up? A quick scout. Back up to just trying to get some drawdown here. Man, that was such a nice move off the bottom. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. What up? What up? Oh, just gonna flip. $187 would be the flip. Such a big fucking stop loss. Massive stop loss. Yo, what up, Sean?
Sorry, boys and girls. My grandma was on holiday and she just FaceTimed me.
I'm deciding on what I want to do here.
I hate to say this, but she's way more important than all of you.
Just trying to get a little more breathing room.
She's like, if she was like 3 times
yo,
more
rough
important
morning.
Else, she's like,
yo, one trade, 3K.
There was no entry.
Time for the gym.
You took the 1 minute inversion after that.
Nice.
After that monthly low.
That sounds real good.
What was the reason he said it'd be break even on this trade? Because it traded into the into that 1 minute break.
1171 in my
trade into this, and you just wouldn't want to,
which is awesome.
Wouldn't want to get caught on a pullback because it just shows
XFA.
bearishness, right?
So I'm not having a
Did the
terrible
5 minute
day.
Balance give you an entry?
What do I have playing? Oh, I have somebody I was watching.
Did it do it on ES? No, it blue balls you. That's.
I keep people on the. I just watch random streams for noise sometimes. So I'll just have random fucking streams on in the background. And then it goes like when one person goes off, just to keep noise. I don't know about you, but it's fucking quiet. Yeah, I watch Kane without a doubt. I'll throw on him. I'll throw on dude. You know who I throw on also? Some guy, some Spanish guy. I throw him on. I'm trying to think who it is, actually. He's got like 300 and something thousand followers. He's more about options and stocks. I'll throw I'm trying to think. I kind of divide it between options and futures, depending on the mood. You play music? Yeah. I don't know. I just like to hear what thoughts on stocks and shit. What up, John? I'm just trying to scout to get some fucking drawdown in this account. Yo, you keep looking for a hot girl trader? The problem is most of them aren't really trading. That's the problem. They're just doing the they're just hot. Yo, what up? Oh, dude, that sucks. I actually haven't traded. Here, I'll bring it. I haven't traded at all today in this. Dude, that sucks. You know what I've been doing, Corey? So I think you got stopped out at the bottom, right? You got stopped out down here somewhere. I would not take this long until it inverted this fair value gap right here. So see how it created this fair value gap? If you just wait until you invert it and kind of close over it, that's when I would take it long. Like, obviously you got some crazy wick, but this candle that closes like right there, I would probably then look to be like, hey, I might take this long, and my stop would be 115. Dude, I'm getting crushed in the kind of got an inverted head and shoulders here. I might take this in the challenge account if I'm just going to hold it. I'm just going to hold, I guess. There we go. Do not follow this. This is like, do not follow this. This is just a free account, and I'm just winging it. I'm winging it. Do not follow. Do not follow. Oh, Sean, that's the worst. That's the worst because the shit's free and you don't really care that much. I actually like this short, to be completely honest. I would like to see maybe a 51 retest. Ugh. I am getting the worst fucking fills in my world. Yeah, I kept getting wicked and revenge traded like an amateur. Yeah, that sucks, man. I mean, I've obviously been there. I started copy trading multiple accounts today. Probably not the best of days to do it, but there we go. Just get some fucking money back. I'm just trying to get my drawdown to maybe like 800, and then I could start increasing my size. Yeah, tomorrow's always a new day. Always a new day. I'll be honest with you. Today and yesterday have been really rough trading days. So I would not change things based on, you know, you didn't make money yesterday or didn't make money today. They're rough days. I mean, super hard days. I even locked myself out so I didn't do anything stupid. Like, oh, I'm going to get extra $10. Well, here's this inverted head and shoulders playing out. I might just wing it in this thing. This account's down a bunch. I might wing it. I mean, this is a clear head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulders. You got shoulder, head, shoulder, and now we're kind of breaking out. Damn, they just fucking dropped that 50-something points. They really dropped that 50 fucking points. What up, Donovan? That's crazy. Dude, 60 points they just dropped that. Oh, I was gonna fucking hit the button. Oh, it happened way too much. That's like the fourth time today I went to hit the button and I was up $60 in all these accounts and fucking didn't get it. Huh. You are such a piece of shit, market. $43. Stop me out twice and then come back. Awesome. I do think it goes. The problem is the economics in the market today with the tariffs make me want to say we're going to go lower. But this definitely is the shape of something that would bring us back all the way up. What up, Mad Moxie? The move 77. It's like 100 and it's like 170 point move, which would bring you to about right up here. The measured move would bring you to about 400. I know, Walter. I know. I saw the same shit. I saw somebody get 200% and I was like, fuck it. I don't care anymore really that much. But that was honestly what I thought that instantly. I said, fuck it. And I just, whatever. Do I enter the market order? I'll enter market. I feel like sometimes I get screwed either way, Garen. I feel like sometimes just get screwed either way. I mean, that's what those people did, is they just maxed out and held, and that was it. It wasn't like a I don't think they were trading some type of strategy. I think it was more of hold. Just buy and hold. What's up, Alyssa? What up? What up? I do think that that's what they did, though. They just bought, held, and that was what happened. You know, you had to think somebody was going to do that. Just buy and hold for a short or a long. The problem is once you're up 200%, you don't have to trade that aggressive, I guess. Take profit traders 30% off, no activation fee. Why? Is there something going on that I don't know about outside of that? This doesn't look fucking great. Take profit trader delays. I think they've not updated their dash. My dashboard's updated. What's your dashboard say? Yeah, I was just trying to fucking scout. This thing's gonna dump. I'm gonna add if we go below. So I got a dishwasher that just overflowed into my kitchen. That's how my day started. Yo, under 171, we can really get this fucking party started. Come on. This just looks so bad. I feel like it should have went already. And the fact that it didn't go is definitely worrisome. Although it is one massive fucking chop. What up, Quan? We're just in the chop right now, which I don't love. Even if I make money, I don't love this area. I want to get out of this. I want to see us get out of this area. Like, I'm just taking it. I'm just fucking taking it. So a couple of things I didn't like about this. I didn't like that we came down here and then they rebought it back up. That was one of the things I didn't like. I think if you can break support, you can get a quick scalp to the downside here. See, that's why I sold. That's exactly why I fucking sold. Looks weak. Looks weak. I want to see it get under, though. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . That's definitely a weak ass candle. They bought it up, sold it right back down. Now I need sellers to come in and wipe it out. I want to see sellers come in right now. You want to see continuation candles. You don't want to see this trade back up. You want to see continuation to the downside. You want to see it get under 67, and you want to see a push. I just fucking, oh my God. How many times am I going to be up and hit the button and get the worst fill ever? The worst fucking fills constantly. You want to see the 9 move down here. You want to stay under this purple line. And you want to see it roll. The problem is you want to take the short by the purple line, but you also don't want to get back above support here, because then once you're back above this support area, you're running into a whole nother issue. It's kind of like a, you know, I don't love this. We sank. We're coming back in, and we're just fucking chopping. You got the pivot point right there at 151. This looks like duty. What up, Paul? Now I want to use the activation money for the Traderify account to get Take Profit Trader account. Dude, I mean, Take Profit Trader, the no activation fee is nice. That I will say. I know it's only 30% off, but the fact that they're doing no activation fee makes it better. Plus the no consistency rules. I like the no consistency rule in a day. I don't have to worry about anything. This does not look fucking good. I'm just going to take this. This is small. Small, tight stop. Ah, why? What do you? Oh my God, we were just dropping. This is dangerous. How much is Take Profit Trader now? I think it's 119. 119 and no activation fee. Old plans with activation still in place, or they changed the menu on Take Profit Trader. It's all no activation fee now. You just use the coupon code, because if you don't use a coupon code, it's like $170. You don't want to pay $170 for an account when everyone else is paying 30% less. Plus, if you don't use the coupon code, you get no. If you don't use the coupon code, you get no. You have to pay activation fee also. So it's freaking it. That's the deal that they're running. 30% off, no activation fee. I think, I'll be honest with you, I think the heyday of cheap prop firm accounts is pretty much gone, to be honest with you. My funded futures has raised, my funded futures is now like 100 and $100, no activation fee. Take Profit Trader is $119, no activation fee. Apex is at 80% off, but their activation fee is $125. What up, Racer? Man, this is one big chop fest. Ah, Sean, yeah, tell me about it. Tell me about it, my man. The problem is the overall market itself, I think, is going to continue lower. With the tariffs and the Trump shit, I think we're going to see 19,000 to 18,500. I think we got like another 7% down. That's what I personally think we got left, is like another 7% to the downside. And the market's dropped quite a bit. Anything free here? I haven't seen anything free. Dude, the candles are moving like fucking 40 points at a clip. Am I going to play the Trump presser? I guess. Maybe. I mean, you're in one big consolidation here. You could probably pass it. Like, I'd probably play an eval and pass an eval. Maybe I could fire up some Bullnox accounts or something like that. This thing's just right back here again. They're going to let it go finally? Fucking push it. Oh my God. Is that what we're doing now? Trump's going to announce today that we are out of NATO. That's wild. Man, this market, this action is so bad. Oh. Like, nothing even holds. I feel like these are just, like you said, these are just algos going back and forth 1,000 fucking times. Did they have a... No. I have no idea. I don't use them. Look at this, all the way back. All the way back. Dude. I feel like they're going to drop this. I mean, let's be real. I feel like they're just waiting. Yo, market could have at least greased you up. Yeah. I feel like we're going to go see lows. How's that sound? I don't trust any of this shit, so. That's why I'm taking freaking baby oil gains. Dude, I forgot about the challenge account. I'm still in the challenge account somewhere long. Dude, they just fake it out. They just faked it out again. I agree with you, Marco. You know, Take Profit Trader goes static once you hit the buffer, right? Full port. Once you hit the buffer, it's a static account. Oh. Are they going to dump it? Dump it for daddy? I want to see a big fucking dump. There we go. I got $100 out of it. That was the dump. Finally. Do I trust it? No. I definitely don't trust it. I don't know. Canada's talking about tariffs now. It's going to be interesting. It just flipped this it's just flipped this fair value gap. Man, I was short biased this whole fucking time. Every time it dropped like this, it just pulled it right back up. This actually was a nice inverted head and shoulders. Right here is where it broke, and there was no continuation. It got stuffed right at the orb and just dumped it. That's interesting. Full port. I have enough accounts. I don't need to go anywhere else. I'm looking at it though. A 50K account is $204. I have it up. 204 bucks. I'm good. I know some people like them. I'm good. I'm passing on Blue Sky. I got enough. Like I tell everybody, if you trade with them and you're doing well, stick to the script. Don't change anything. Don't change anything. That's what I tell everybody. If you're trading goods somewhere, just stick with it. But I am not changing currently. Wow. Wow, look at this. Look at this fucking candle. Right back up like the dip never even happened. Anyone see gold? Actually, that's interesting. It just, oh my God. $159 just inverted this gap. I'm going to see if it holds 151. Looking to get 176 out of it. There we go. So the reason I took that trade, by the way, just going over it, see how we made this fair value gap on the way down? This red, that's this shaded red. When we flipped and inverted it and we're closing above the pivot point, that's all bullish to me. And that's why I took that trade. We flipped it, and I figured we'd at least get to the 34, which was 178. That's how I was playing that. Yeah, no, man. I'm all for it. I got too many fucking accounts. I got way too many accounts. I'm having trouble now, so I'm starting to copy trade these accounts. Today's the first day I'm copy trading these 5 accounts just to change things up. You blew your pro account? Yo, today's an easy day to blow a pro account. Without a shadow of a doubt, today's an easy day to blow it. I mean, there's a lot of shit going on today. The price action's all over the place. I would say today's actually really hard trading day. I would not say today's easy. Yo, anybody see Patrick expose Brian Stonk? Brian Stonk was claiming all these payouts, and like more than a quarter of his payouts are affiliate payouts. And he didn't tell anybody. Anybody see that shit? Bro, Brian Stonk kept putting out that he was getting all these payouts from all these prop firms, and it ends up more than 25% of his payouts are affiliate payouts, and he wasn't telling anybody. He was just making you believe that they were trading payouts. Yeah. Yo, when you guys gonna open up that yo, people just fucking lie on Twitter all the time. It's just a lie. Somebody put that they watched him on his stream and he lost every trade for like 2 weeks or something, but always makes money. There's a bunch of wild comments. I don't watch him. I don't follow him really. You know, I just know who he is, but yeah. Fucking just another scammer, I guess. I don't know. Wild. I never heard of her. Yeah. It's crazy, man. People posting fucking wild. I mean, he wasn't wrong though. He made the guy tell him that all those payouts weren't trading payouts. Opened up a lot of eyes. You know. Kane's for real. Kane's definitely for real. I don't follow Lanto, but yeah. It's crazy. Yeah, we're right back at this chop zone. Day one, Express account. Loving it. I caught a massive down candle is what happened. I caught this candle right here, I think is how I got that. Yeah, I mean, I agree with you, CT. He definitely went out of his way. Do I think he did it for views? Yes. Did he go out of his way? Yes. Is Brian completely wrong? 100%. He should be telling his audience how much in real payouts he's getting and not passing off affiliate commissions as prop firm payouts. Just sitting right here. Normally, I would take this to the upside. Little 34 bounce back up to 218, but I don't trust this market at all. Watch, it's probably going to sell through. Yeah. Oh, yeah, CT. 100%. Yeah. I don't doubt that at all. He told the doctor, yo, what the fuck? I don't even get involved. I don't even know. I don't even know. But anyways, yeah, I just find it interesting. Yeah. Yo, I want to see the whole thing when people trade. He had a huge head. I don't even know what to say to that. I don't even know what to say to that. Shit's funny. Yo, what up, Ray? I see this like as entertainment, like being in the bullpen with teammates. Yeah. You know, I agree. It's all up to you to push the button. 100%. I think trading is boring by myself, personally. I mean, we are right in this freaking chop zone here. What's interesting, though, this is the 15-minute. Does not look strong. The 5-minute looks weak. You're getting a lower high. It kind of looks like we're rolling. The only thing that kind of looks like we're way oversold is the hourly. But I just don't see us bouncing very hard. All this tariff talk today and shit, like, can I ask what the fuck just happened there? I made, oh my God. Dude, I don't even know what happened there. I made money, but it didn't exit me out. It actually, oh my God, this copy trader got fucked just now. This is looking shitty. I'm just trying to scout back to fucking green. And I trust nothing in this market. I do think it looks like we're going to go back down to 115-ish. Problem is, we can get a candle right all the way back up to like 70 or 80 real quick. Watch. Here's one of those freaking face rippers probably. Right back up. Make you rethink your short. Although you can get back in with a stop above. You know, makes you want to punch someone. Dude, I started getting my kid has these freaking stress ball things I started putting on my desk. It's only started this week, Sean. It's only been this week that the candles have just been crazy. if I take this up, my short's going to be, my stop would be like right at 171. Let's see. The problem is, look, it's bouncing fucking 20 points every fucking 10 seconds. Oh, this looks good this looks pretty good. You're getting under it. Nope, bought it right back up. Watch, the next candle's green and goes back up to 79 or some shit like that. Oh, here we go. We getting the FU green candle up. It's definitely rolling though. See how it's kind of rounded if you look? This is eventually just going to roll down. I truly believe that we're going to go below below this, and we'll probably see 20,000. I kind of want to. I do feel like if they let it go, we are going to go down to test 20,000 today at some point. Are you kidding? I couldn't even fucking get out. All right, I'm going to hold right here. Let's see what happens. I regret buying starter plans. The consistency is killing you? Why? How much are you up? You could pass in one day. How am I doing? I'm not doing bad. I am up. I blew one account over there earlier. My XFA is up 17, almost 1,200. I just finished day 3 here, so 2 more days and I have a payout. I'm not doing terrible. I just flipped all these accounts green. I was trying to flip them green. That was like my big plan. And I think I'm holding all right, I'm taking that off. That was $365. So I'm taking that off only because we're getting around the bottom here. We're getting close to 20,100. And I just kind of feel like we can get a bounce. So that was a good fucking trade for everybody. Did I get out? Look at that exit. Look at that exit. Oh, baby. Look at that. Man, we got out. We got out at the right time, peeps. We got out at 118. That just fuck. That's a face ripper. Woo! Wow. The old 2-minute 90-point pop. Not even 2 minutes. It was probably like a minute. Got a 90-point pop. Damn. Yo, just watch your fucking accounts today, guys. We're not doing anything in theory. It's kind of definitely just chop. I got these back green, and I don't even know if I'm going to push them forward today after this mass chaos. I don't know. I'm going to just hang. What is consistency rule? I think it's 40% consistency rule on my funded futures. Kevin. So you can't, your biggest day can't be more than 40% of what you take out. Damn. See, like it's almost unplayable though. Like, what is the play on that? I guess you would take 156 when we broke 156 to the upside. I guess is the take. There's nothing in here that I'm like, oh my god, we're gonna be bullish or honestly, I'd want to see us sweep up here and then come back and get below 210. I mean, that would be the move. What up, Nao? What up, John? Man. I need more indicators on this chart. I don't think the Fibonacci has been perfect like every day on these big dumps. I've been playing around with this. I'll show you what I'm playing around with. So I put this on my chart. Basically standard deviation levels. And you have the standard deviation levels right here. And it's pretty interesting how it works. I'm not making trades off of it, if you're wondering. It's just interesting levels. I'm going to keep watching. And I put them on my chart for something to watch. I don't know if anyone uses standard deviation levels, but it's on the chart, and I will be playing around with it. I mean, you still got lower highs. I mean, we still just rolling here. Oh, man. How are your business orders up? Hey, Cover, how are your business orders? Oh, like my work? It's going up. This is the season that it starts to go up. You start March, April, May, June, July. Actually, March to June is a busy season for one section of it, and then the other section stays busy till September. September kind of dips, and then the holiday season ramps up massively. It's going to be interesting with all these tariffs. I mean, we're in manufacturing. We do everything from parts for, parts for people that need them on whatever they're building. We do some type of gifts. We do some of everything. People want us to fabricate like a sign sometimes. People want us to fabricate parts. People want us to do all types of stuff. Depending on the time of the year, what the customers want, what they're doing. Metal, wood, aluminum, copper, brass, steel, everything that you could think of, pretty much. We paint, powder coat, weld. Somebody on Facebook made a reaction video to one of my videos and went pretty viral. People won't stop tagging you. You can put it in the Discord. I'll watch, man. It's going to be interesting, though. A lot of metal comes from China. A lot of metal. Yeah, CNC stuff, water jet, you cut with fiber laser, all types of stuff. Man, this fucking chop. I mean, I'll be honest with you. There's probably a lot of people getting fucking destroyed today. I'm not even going to lie. There's probably a lot of people getting just absolutely destroyed. So I pulled the trigger and got a Take Profit Trader account with your code. Code Trader, baby. Yo, Corey. Trade small. I appreciate the support, obviously, but I want you to really trade small today because people are getting killed and you do not want to get killed in this chop. Just wait till like real setups come. Is my tooling from China? We buy it from the company. I don't buy it from China, but I'm sure maybe some of the material does. Water jet nozzles, we have water jet nozzles. What did some work with multicam and their equipment is really? Yeah, I don't have multicam. I have an Axis. Multicam is nice. I don't need what I need. I have an Axis. It's like a 10 horsepower Axis. Okay, good, Corey. Just everybody gets a new account and they're so quick to trade it. And I just want you to preserve the account. Oh, baby. First, let me see. I gotta just see if I pull it up, if my fucking Facebook comes up. Yeah, I can't click. I can't bring it on the stream because I got a photo. When I bring up my Facebook, I got a photo of my kids on it. I'm not gonna bring that on the stream. But even though my kid one day fucking ran on here and said what's up to everybody, yeah. If you want though, Austin's video is in the Discord. If you want to take a look at it, I will post it in the chat. It is going viral. And here it is. Here's the Discord link if you want to watch it. Man, just put it up. Oh, got to get those days in. Yeah. I'm going to watch it once I'm off the stream. 100%. 100%. Man, I exited at the fucking bottom, but geez. That's interesting. That's interesting. Breaking out of here. Do I trust this? Fucking definitely do not. If we pull back to maybe 15, I would take it small. If we pull back to 15, I'm not chasing this. I mean, you're getting right into this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Actually, 256 would be a rejection, possibly to the downside. Oh, well, you just got it. You would have just got 10 points. I literally just said that. 256 rejection. Oh, not only is that rejection, that's the 15-minute orb also. Yeah. I was playing it coming out of the coming right out of this 5-minute. What is that? The 5 and the 15 fair value gap is right here. You take that on the way out at 255, a short, you easily have 10 points. That was going to be my play. I just couldn't get to it fast enough. By the time I got there, it rejected. Big dump coming. Look at it. Short to 20,000. I think we see 20,000, Ray. I just don't know if we see it today, but I feel like we're going to see 20,000 this week. I think we're going under 20,000. I think we're going to see 18,000 something. if we do not wick over last hour and we close somewhere here and wick over, I would be playing to the downside. We close with an inside hour, we sweep, and then we come back down would be a fucking ultimate trade. What do you think here? You think they're going to fake it to the upside? Fake it to the upside? Or are we going to actually break through the orb and go? Bro, is it the video where the dude? Dude, I don't know if I can watch that. Do you have a Bullnox account? Yeah, I'm waiting on a payout. I get paid tomorrow. I requested $1,155 from them, and I have another funded account. I'm waiting, not waiting on. I'm just trading it. But yeah, I have Bullnox. They're 91 or 90% off right now. They're good. The biggest issue with Bullnox, I'm going to tell you, there's two issues. One, you have to get the account to 53,600 to take a withdrawal, which is higher than Apex. But when you take a withdrawal, you have a massive, buffer. So that's obviously a plus side. The other issue with Bullnox is the activation fee is $150. So it's more money compared to like Take Profit Traders, $0 right now. But if you want to see some of the comparisons and shit, I'll show you. Yeah, so go there and you can scroll down. And basically, in the withdrawal amount, you could see what you have to leave in the account. So you have to leave $2,600 in the account. So basically, you need $5,600 to pull $1,000 out, because you got to leave $2,600 in the account. Yeah, all good, John. I mean, I'm here to help, especially when it's slow. Definitely here to help. They're going to beam this up, or what are we doing here? That's a wild ass candle at the top. I have a feeling they're going to drop this all the way down to 14. Let's see what happens. I'm not playing. I'm not in. I'm just saying. I'm looking for like 14. Let's see what happens. Nope, not dumping. That's why I'm not playing. Oh, baby. They're bringing it right. This is right in the orb. As long as we stay above the orb, I'll stay in. Holy shit. That's a, I'm out. That's a massive fucking, I didn't realize how big that was. That was 61. Come back down. Come back down. Come back. Let's get a retest of maybe 62. Dude, this can still dump. There's a bunch of economic news out there. This thing could dump in 2 seconds. I think at this given moment they're bringing it up, but I don't know if I trust this. Like, I'm not sitting here being like, oh, we're going up for the day. I would probably just say we're going up for this moment in time. We are going up is what I would say. That's all I would say. For this moment, we are up. Yeah, nah, that's what I'm talking about. I think the overall is going to be down. The overall to me is down. I just think that oh, we're right here at the bot. We're right here at the orb. Let's see if it holds. I'm going to take this is fucking tight. This is not even a 10-point stop. It's got a bounce right here. That's it. So let's just look real fast. Let's look at the daily. I mean, this doesn't look great. I think we're going to see 20,000 or below. I would love to see fucking 19,000, 18.5, 19,000 get down. I've been saying in this area, that would be really nice. Really start loading up on stocks and stuff at a massive discount where you're able to hold, probably for a year and a half with a really great entry. You're short with 150-point stop loss? Wait, what? Well, that shit just bounced. I don't trust this. Oh, and a practice account? I don't trust the... It is wild that we just made back all this dump, though. I mean, that was a massive... We just made back 200 and something points. Just remember, guys, Trump speaks at 6 o'clock tonight. So if you're around and you want to get wild, Trump talks, and you might be able to pass an account. I don't know. You could probably do a bunch of wild shit with Trump talking. I just want to let you guys know, 6 o'clock. Normally, that's when we reopen. So normally it's not that crazy. It's going to be fucking wild. All right. There we go. That was good. Bringing this account back to life. Yo, my drawdown was down to $200 in this account today, by the way. I had a $200 drawdown. So I brought it from $200 drawdown to $1,200. Up 800, I'm funded. Down, so I don't bust consistency. What type of account? What type of account is it? What are we looking at? Because the consistency should be fine. You shouldn't have a consistency issue. Unless you're on, well, I guess if you're on Take Profit Trader, it's 50%, right? How do I trade when I'm only have a $200 drawdown? I went down to 3 micros. So I had $200 drawdown. I went down to 3 micros. And then I went from 3 micros to 5 micros. And then normally I would go up to 1 mini. But we're moving, like these candles are literally 30, 40 point candles. I'm not playing a mini. So I will just keep working this back with 5 micros, say probably. My funded futures 50. Yo, you could pass this. You could pass the starter in a day. I liquidated my funded this morning, opened up a new account. I'm halfway through passing. It have to wait for tomorrow to hit consistent. Yo, well, first of all, welcome to the stream, Perry. And I'm guessing you are trading a Topstep or Take Profit Trader because they have the consistency on the evals. No, Ray, on the evals, there's no consistency. On the starters, starter has no consistency on evals. It's 40% on it's a 40% consistency rule on the funded account. Man, this is just grinding. Oh, it's a funded account? Yeah, you have 40% consistency rule. Yup. Dude, hopefully you guys got some good lunch today. Anybody eating some good lunch? I cannot wait to dive into some lunch. This is actually a great time to eat lunch because honestly, I'm not going to go in long because we're already up so much. And I'm probably not looking to short this right now. But, yo, I love fish and chips, man. Fish and chips. Woo, baby. I like that. I'm going to see what I got around my house. If we come all the way back down, I might retake this at 259. Just throwing that out there. You kind of have the 200, the 34, and the orb. Yo, Brian Roberts getting some freaking brisket. Welcome to the stream, brother. And yeah, brisket. I love brisket. Yo, Mrs. Cove's at work. But yeah, I should get her to hit the deli. Get me one of those roast beef with Swiss, lettuce, tomato, onion, pepper, mayo. Ooh, baby. Priorities. I got to tell her. Priorities. Got to get me my food. Go make me a sandwich. Well, anybody that's new, I'm going to be back in 2 hours. I stop around now to go eat. Let you guys go eat. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. And that's pretty much it. I got my order right here, and we'll see what happens. Dude, that sounds good. I have a feeling I have a shit lunch, by the way. I bet you I have a shit lunch. I'm going to be so annoyed when I look to see what I got. I'm going to be like, really? This is it? Throw it back at my fridge. Actually, I got to look at my my dishwasher overflowed. My kid's babysitter put the wrong dishwasher soap in, and it sudded through the whole sides out. So I got to go clean that up and figure out. I got to go clean that up. Oh, am I going to get hit? 261. I got an order in. Well, let's see if I get hit. But all right, boys, I'll see you in 2 hours. All right, peace.